friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're staying crafty and healthy as well. And in today's video I am going to do an unboxing of this gorgeous Christmas collection from Rosie Studios called Oh Joyful. So let's go ahead and flip the camera so you can watch the unboxing. Wahoo! So here is a gorgeous collection from Rosie Studios. I am part of Rosie Studios creative team. So it's a Christmas collection and I'm going to do an unboxing of it. You know, I just love Christmas, period. Even though right now in US we are fall season, some of us were crafting for Halloween, fall, but you know, it's always good to start early for Christmas. And this year is gonna be the exception because I'm gonna start early. I need to start early, start prepping my December daily, doing some cards for friends, etc. So let's unbox the collection. It is just a gorgeous collection. It came nicely packaged, and let's review. Oh, right, so these are the puffy stickers, and I like the fact that they're not that tiny like in other, you know, collections where they're like miniature. No, these are really good. Like, I can use these for embellishments or part of my scrapbook layout, and also my December daily one. And then let me see. Oh, look at these, the buttons. I love these as well. They're like so cute. What else I got? Puffy stickers, the words, and I love the fact that the colors are my jam, right? I love pink, so I like the hues that this collection has, right? These are the stickers, cardstock sticker pack. It comes with words, and then on the back like stamps. This is just gorgeous. I just love their designs. And then I also got the clear sticker pack. These are really good because I can use these on my December daily, you know, the photos. I can just peel and stick on the photo since they are clear. And then on the back, and oh, I love it. It has all the days. Perfect. This is just going to be a really good one for my December daily. And chipboard embellishments. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Oh gosh, so gorgeous, gorgeous collection. And of course I am going to open these. These are chipboard frames, and of course these are very important because that's how I will be framing the photos or anything, right? Look at that. They're really nice, very nice. Oh, and then the globes, the snow globe, joyful, wonderful, super cute. I'm gonna put this back where it was so things don't get confused, and I have to start, you know, organizing, doing my iris case for this collection and the projects. And these are the die cuts. These are the die cuts, but I'm still gonna show. Oh, can I open this up? Actually, I'm afraid to open this up because it's gonna, I don't want to create a mess right now. So beautiful. And then the die cuts, sentiments. Oh, I love these, the sentiments. Merry Christmas. They're really pretty. Pretty. Oh, and then the paper. Definitely I'm going to open the paper. So these are all the papers. So we get 20. And oh, it's like a bundt cake. And it's not double-sided, it's one-sided. That. Then I get this pattern. I'm flipping everything. Then this pink star and the snow globes. The tartan. Oh, I love these. And then starry red background. Candy canes. Green. Striped. Hollies. Another green. These big fat stripes. Oh, look at that. The nutcrackers. This other one. Oh, I like this. It has like foil. Golden foils. Fa la la. Polka dots. Oh, pink polka dots. Mini Christmas trees. And the Santa faces. So these are all the 20 pages. I want to say paper. So these are the 20 papers of Rosie Studio O Joyful Collection. So stay tuned because I'm going to start working on my December daily. I know it's early, but I need to start prepping it. So, you know, holidays start coming up. So this is the beautiful and gorgeous collection from Rosie Studios called Joyful Day. And thanks again for watching and see you on my next video. Bye.